children, today we are going to learn the second poem. What is the name of the second poem? Teamwork. What is the name of the second poem? Teamwork. Okay, let's see the first paragraph. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. The work, if a single person does, the work the team does. If the team do the work, the result will be different from the single person's work. Why? Because if we share our work, if we work as a team, that is totally different from the work done by the single person. Here, while doing the teamwork, we will not get much stress. That is the first main thing. We will not get much stress. We will get joy. What do we want to be happy? Joy. Correct? We will get joy. We can feel happy while doing the work if we work as a team. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but no one passes, then nobody shoots. For example, have you ever played basketball? Basketball means there will be some one ring and you will play and you will throw the ball over the basket, to the basket, correct? Did you play any time? For example, you think that while you are playing the basketball, no one passes the ball. Then how it will be? Only a single person will be playing and he doesn't pass to anyone. How it will be? And if he passes to the others also, and if you play like that, or if you play a single person, will there be a difference or not? Basketball playing with the single person and basketball playing like a team. Do you feel the difference? Exactly, we will feel the difference because teamwork gives much result when compared to the work done by the single person. And here it's very funny and happy and excitement, everything comes in the teamwork. Any work, if we do happily and if there is a fun in any work, we can do it perfectly also. It's fun. I told you the basketball and relay race. Did you hear this word relay race? Relay race in the sense there will be a team. If one member will be passing that baton means it might be it looks like a small stick. Baton means it looks like a small stick. That stick, the first person passes to the second person. There will be teams. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. And not only 4, it depends upon the members that the team about. First team having 5 members, second team 5, like that. First, for example, A team. I am in the A team. I will pass this baton to the next. Pass on. It passes on like that in a group. If anybody doesn't want to pass on the baton, then it's out. Understand? If everyone participates very actively, then you will win. Team works in the relay race. It goes on like that. We are a part that makes up the whole. That means here is if you have taken a project. Oh, it's very hard. If you want to do, a single person has to do the project. It will be very, very hard. If everyone shares that work, it will be very easy. And not only that, for example, I have invited my friends to the party. If I prepare the whole everything, all the eatables, and if I do all the work, it will be very tough to me. If my mummy comes or if my sisters comes to me and help me, I will take care of cooking and you take care of the cleanliness and you take care of the shopping. If we divide the work and do it, it will be very perfect and no one will get the stress at all. Everyone will be happy also. In this way, prefer the teamwork mostly. It sometimes we cannot do, but most of the time we can prefer teamwork. Teamwork will give good result, perfect result. Understand? Fine. I hope you have understood this one about the teamwork. And after completing this, repeat it and listen 2 to 3 times. And keep one thing in your mind, that you have to attend the exam. For that exam, mostly textual grammar part and CW. Be thorough in that. You will be having the test. I don't know the date. They will announce the date. Before that, you get ready. It's not like that every subject you have to read one day. It's not like that. Monday you read this subject, You prepare this one and Tuesday this one. And if you have any doubts, please message me. Don't call me. I may not lift the calls every time. Message me. Surely I will give you the reply for any doubt. Understand? But get ready with your CW and textbook of first 2 lessons. I have taught one poem, one lesson. Now one poem is done. And next I will teach the second lesson also. You might be having for a unit test or any other test these 2 poems and 2 lessons. Okay? Play every time, but at least sometimes breathe. Okay? Bye bye.